Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Vector from Despicable Me. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off at the top and let's draw the glasses. Let's draw a curve across. And then a curved square shape on both sides. Next, let's thicken these lines up. Now to continue drawing the rest of the face, I'm going to zoom in. Inside the glasses, let's draw the eyes. Let's draw a curve up. And then a curve underneath. Now inside each eye, let's add a circular curve at the bottom. And then add another circle inside. And then color both of these in black. Next, on top of each eye, let's draw a curve up and bring it down for the eyebrows. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's move in between and let's draw the nose. Inside the glasses here, let's draw a curve down on both sides and a curve underneath. Now let's move out and let's draw the shape of the face. We'll start next to the glasses and let's draw an angled line out on both sides. And then let's thicken them up. Now underneath, let's curve it down and in, leaving a gap in the center. And then 2 angled lines down for the neck. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw the mouth. Let's draw a wavy line across and up to the right. And then add a curve on both ends. Next, on the sides of the head, let's add a curve for the ears. Now inside, let's draw a curve down with a bump at the bottom. And then one more curve inside. And that's it for the ears. Now let's move up and let's draw the hair. In between the glasses, let's draw a small zigzag line across. Now on top, let's draw a curve across. And then curve it down to the ears on both sides. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. We'll start with the curve across under the neck. And then bring it down on both sides. Now in the center, let's add the zipper. Let's draw 2 lines down, a line across, angle both sides down, and close off the bottom. And then add a small square inside. Now from the sides of the neck, let's bring it in on both sides. Now on top here, let's add the collar. Next to the face, let's draw a curve down and out. And then curve each side back in. Next, underneath the neck here, let's draw the hands. We'll start with a curve up on the left and on the right for the thumbs. And angle it in, leaving a gap. Now for the next finger, let's draw another curve going out and a curve down underneath. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw a small angle, then a bump, and one more angle down. Next, in the gap here, let's draw a rectangle shape on an angle. And then 2 curves down and over to the left. And then 2 curves on the right as well. Now top back up next to the neck and let's draw an angled line bringing it down and continue it past the fingers. And then a curve down to close off each arm. Next, let's draw the sides of the body. Underneath each hand, let's draw an angle down. And then continue it underneath the arms. And then connect it at the bottom with a curve across. Lastly, inside the top here, let's finish the zipper. Let's draw 2 lines down the center and continue it below. And that's it for the upper body. Now let's move down and draw the legs. Let's start underneath on both sides and let's draw a curve down and slightly in. Then in between, let's draw a curve across. Now let's draw 2 lines down on the left and on the right. And close off the bottom. Now at the bottom of each pant leg, let's add another small rectangle. Next, underneath, let's draw the shoes. Let's start with a line down in the center. Then let's bring it out and curve it down. And then close it off at the bottom. Next, let's add some details to the shoes. Let's draw another line at the bottom. And now let's add 3 stripes by drawing 6 angled lines. And that's it for vector. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!